This video was made out of friendship. These are the people I was with for almost a decade and a half. They are already my sisters. They are like family. But due to our individual differences and different family upbringings, sometimes we also have misunderstandings and disagreements. But at the end of the day, we still manage to learn to accept our individual peculiarities. They are the people we turn to when our spirits need a lift. They fill our lives with color, happiness, and grace. They makes the world we live a better place. Allow me to introduce to all of you my circle of friends in slow-mo. I always believe that if you want change in the world, be an advocate of the change you want to be. And you have to dare dream big and learn to accept failures. You don't have to wait for opportunities to come. Learn to create one for you. And we have to be grateful of all the things we have, because not everyone experiences the comfort of life. Don't be defined by your failures. Stand up and learn to achieve your goals. One day, we will all be separated and return home to our families, but the friendship and the memories we had will always be kept in our hearts. Ate Jackie is the most generous member of the group, and she is also the most active one. She is like a Girl Scout because everything you need, she has. She believes that there is no such thing as coincidence. Everything happens for a purpose because you are the one creating your own destiny. Cha is a newbie in the group, but she's willing to learn new things. She is a computer geek. Glenn is a sweet person, and she is known as a selfie girl. She believes that life is meaningless without purpose, and success is attained if you believe in yourself when others don't. Clarice is a gorgeous mom of 3. She is the most athletic member of the group. She loves to dance. She believes that there's always a rainbow after the storm. And the greatest quality a man can have is humility. Ate V is the coolest mom you can ever have. She loves to shop until you drop. She is the kind of person that is always ready to go. For her, life is like a theater and you are the director. If the first take fails, try to do several more until you make it perfect. Flor is a sophisticated person. She is also a diva and a good swimmer. She believes to rise above your failures to find your sunshine. And to enjoy and appreciate each moment of your life because every situation in life is temporary. And to free yourself from all the negativities of the world because it hinders your dreams and aspirations. Pines is a TikTok girl. She loves to travel and explore the world. For her, positivity is the key to success, and fear of failure is a coward thing that hinders your dreams. Mitch loves to travel and is a TikTok princess. She believes that a good spirit radiates from within and it shines. Norzi is a kind person with artistic abilities. For her, you have to believe in magic, and magic will find you. And you have to enjoy life to the fullest because you only live once. Our story is also your story, a story of friendship that withstand the test of time. Don't forget to share your own story in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified if I have new videos.
Kaway-kaway! Hi! Papasok pa sila sa loob. Oo. Okay.